Good morning, students. Today I will discuss with you about experiment number 2 of 12th class, and that is to determine resistance of a given wire using meter bridge and hence determine the specific resistance of its material. तो इसमें हमें एक वायर गिवन है, उसका हम रेजिस्टेंस कैलकुलेट करेंगे एंड देन we will calculate the specific resistance or resistivity of that wire. Okay, now I will show you the apparatus setup of this experiment. As you all can see, we are having here meter bridge. Can you see this? This is your meter bridge. Okay, students, this is your meter bridge. This is battery eliminator. This is your resistance box. As you can see, the resistances which are given to you are such that it's 20 ohms, 10 ohms, 5 ohms, 2 ohms. Here it is given 500, 200, 150. This is your resistance box. Students, this is your jockey and this is your galvanometer. Red is what? Positive terminal of galvanometer and black is what? Negative terminal of galvanometer. Now students, please carefully watch the connections of this setup. I will show you. In this meter bridge, it has two ends. This is the one end of meter bridge and this is another end of meter bridge. Okay. Now, this is your right gap. This and this, this is your right gap and this is your left gap, and this is the center of meter bridge. What I have done, I have connected resistance box with the left gap of the meter bridge. As you can see, this resistance box has two terminals. Okay. See students, there is no negative and no positive in these 2 points. I have just connected the resistance box terminals with the left gap of the meter bridge. The center of the meter bridge, it is connected to negative terminal of galvanometer. Okay, you can see negative terminal of galvanometer is connected to the center of the meter bridge. This is your jockey. Jockey is connected to the galvanometer to the positive terminal. Now coming to the right gap of meter bridge, here we are using a wire and it is a Constantan wire. You can use Constantan wire as well or a manganese wire. And why only these 2 wires are used in meter bridge? Because of their high resistivity or high resistance value, we use either Constantan wire or we use either manganese wire. So I have put this wire in the left gap. Okay. Students, the length of this wire which I have calculated, I have measured with the help of meter scale, came out to be 22.5 centimeter. Okay. So the length of this wire is 22.5. Then what I have done is that positive, see this, positive terminal of battery is connected to one end of meter bridge. Then another end of meter bridge is connected to the negative terminal of battery eliminator. So these are the connections. Now students, I will switch on the battery. Now I will tell you that what is the way of taking readings into this experiment. It is very easy. You just need to bring the jockey over the wire. Okay. See, can you see the galvanometer? I am putting the jockey and see the galvanometer. It is showing you deflection. Galvanometer is showing you deflection. Correct? So now, what is the method of taking its readings? This is the resistance box. I will take out 1 ohms. I will take out 1 ohm. See, this is your 1 ohms. I will take it out. I will take it out. Then I will note the null deflection in the galvanometer. If after removing 1 ohms of resistance, galvanometer shows null deflection, in that case we will record the balancing length from the meter bridge. I have removed the 1 ohms of resistance from here. Now let us find out the null point of the galvanometer from the meter scale. I have already taken the readings, students. I am just telling you the way of taking the readings in this experiment. The readings which I had already taken, I will show you in my next video. So now students, I can show you the readings. Please note the null deflection. Please note the null deflection. See the galvanometer. Can you see? Students, I am not getting null deflection. What is meant by null? When the needle comes to the point 0, that is called as the null deflection. And I need to find out that point in the meter bridge which will show me null deflection, means the needle has to come at the point 0 in the galvanometer. So let us find out. 6, no. See the galvanometer. Now not getting null deflection. Then 7. Still not getting. Bring it to 8. 9. So I am finding out the point where the galvanometer needle will come at the point 0. Here can you see? It is coming at the point 0. It is coming at the point 0. And what is the reading? It is 11. It is 11 centimeters. So students, after removing 1 ohm of resistance, the balancing point is 11 centimeter, because at this point the galvanometer is showing me the null deflection. Okay, and this is also called as the balancing length. which will be your 11 centimeters. 11 centimeters. Now, again, let us remove 2 ohms now. I have removed 2 ohms. Now I will take the reading. And students, I am taking the reading from the left gap, This time, after removing the resistances from the resistance box in the first part of the experiment, we are taking the readings from the right gap. We will repeat the process again. We will take out resistances from the resistance boxes. Again, we will find out the balancing point, balancing length from the right gap, which I will also show you. So again, we are finding the null point by placing the jockey over the meter bridge wire, and here the point comes out to be 22. At this point, the needle of the galvanometer was at the 0 point. Now students, this was about the left gap. Now let us come to the right gap. I will show you how to take readings from here. Same process. Again, remove the 1 ohm resistance. Put the jockey anywhere such that galvanometer shows null deflection. At 84, no, it is not showing. 85, no. Move it on. Not at 87. Okay. This is our 87.5. I am showing you the scale, students. This is the scale. Now, okay, this is the point where galvanometer is showing null deflection, and it is near to 94. Near to 94. So students, this is the way we need to take the readings from this experiment. Now in my next video, I will show you the readings which I have already taken in the video. Thanks.